Now we go to this new letter. This is a new letter. هذا حرف جديد. هذا حرف جديد. This is a new letter. If you want to say this is a new word, it will be, word is كلمة. It's feminine. So we have to say هذه, not هذا. هذه كلمة جديدة. This is a new word. But here we say هذا حرف جديد. It's called زاي. زاي. Its sound is Z. And it's written like this. And as you see, it's written just like Ra, with the addition of one dot on the top. Z. Yes. You can see also that this letter has the same shape in its different positions in a word. In the beginning, in the middle, at the end, it looks the same. Now let's read these words. The first is a common Arabic name for women. Zai, ya, nun, ba. The zai has fatha, the ya has sukun, then the nun has fatha, then ba. Zaynab, Zaynab, Zaynab. Another word which means bread. Kha, ba, zay. The kha has dhamma and the ba has sukun. So we say khub, khub, and then z, khubz, khubz, bread. Notice that zay doesn't connect to the left. So we need to leave a little space between it and the following letter, as you can see in the word Zainab. Now, let me remind you, don't forget that all the letters are connected with the preceding and succeeding letters, with the exception of 6 letters that don't connect to the left. We have already studied all of them. These letters which don't connect to the left are alif, dal and dhal, ra and zay, and waw. Okay? These are 6 letters. Now let's read more words. هذه كلمة جديدة. This is a new word, which means banana. ميم, واو, زاي. ما, موز, موز, موز. And this one, جيم, زاي, راء. جزر, 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 carrot. Then this word, olive, 5 letters here. Zay, ya, ta, waw, and noon. Zay, then ta has dhamma followed by long vowel u. Zaytoon, 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 olive. Then this is a male name. Zay, kaf, ra, ya, and alif. Zaka, then the ra has kasra, ri, zakari. Then the ya, as you see here, has shadda and fatha, followed by long vowel a. Zakariya, Zakariya, Zakariya. This is a male name. Now this is a name of a country. Which country is this? Mim, alif, lam, ya, zay, ya, and alif. The mim here has fatha and followed by alif. So it will be ma. Then the lam has kasra and followed by long vowel e. Li. Then the zay has sukun. So ma, liz. Then ya. Malaysia. Malaysia. In English, we say Malaysia. Yes, this is a country called Malaysia. Now let's read these sentences and questions. كيف حالك يا زكريا؟ كيف حالك يا زكريا؟ How are you, O زكريا؟ كيف حالك يا زكريا؟ But this one, كيف حالك يا زينب؟ كيف حالك يا زينب؟ The answer can be, I am fine. Praise be to Allah. أنا بخير والحمد لله. The next one, this is a student female from Malaysia. هذه طالبة من ماليزيا. هذه طالبة من ماليزيا. The next one, I like banana and orange. I like or I love is أحب. Then the banana, الموز. Here the zay has fatha, so we say الموزة. And البرتقال. Here when we connect wa, which means and البرتقال, the alif in البرتقال will be silent. So we say والبرتقال. So this will be الموز والبرتقال. And when we connect الموز with أحب, the alif in الموز will also be silent. So we say أحب الموز. So it will be like this. أحب الموز والبرتقال. أحب الموز والبرتقال. The next one, thank you so much. Before that we studied شكرا. Now we study this word جزيلا. If you want to say thank you so much, you say this. شكرا جزيلا. شكرا جزيلا.